it was closer to me than him. It took me like 7 to 10 minutes to get there. Both times, well, the correct and incorrect times. So yeah. So, no worries. Very easy. Would have just been like a couple slightly quicker, but the hoarder wasn't ready when I left yet, so I don't think it's that long. So, all good. It's kind of nippy up for some, so I don't mind it. And he gave me $3 cash tip since I was on my bike. Well, I'll have to change my tip, but then he just gave me $3 used. That's fine. Right now, the balance is at $20 and some odd cents. Not bad. Especially since when I woke up this morning, I only had $1 and some change because I ordered a pizza and got it delivered by someone else on Uber Eats. Well, ironically. So yeah, I had a discount and it was a 12-inch pizza for $6 and like 50 or 60 cents instead of $18.99. So of course, because I was starving and I barely ate yesterday, I nabbed that up. Especially because when I tried to do it with the smaller pizza, a 10-inch, it was like 8 something, and then I went and did that, and it was the next size up, and it was 6 whatever, but I gave a $1.50 tip because I couldn't really afford much more. Felt bad, but it wasn't on purpose to be rude. Just did it so it would actually be delivered, since I've learned from people being lazy that they don't. I learned from TikTok, I think, and Instagram, one or the other, that some people won't pick up an order because they don't think about it that, oh, maybe they'll do a cash tip, or maybe they'll add it in, because you can still, you know, do it after it arrives. Like, they're not factoring that in. You're kind of immature that some people might want to wait until they get it, and they can factor in how long it took to arrive once it said it was picked up, and if it's fresh or not. So, you know, it makes sense. And he even mentioned that, I was like, oh no, I don't know. Not a problem. I wasn't expecting it right away. Even though it's good to say it was there. It was good to say it was adjusted. I anyways. Oh good. And even if I wouldn't have known that information, I would, since I delivered pizzas before, I'm not new to this, so I'm not dumb. And it just makes sense, you know. Like, why would you tip before it even arrives if you don't even know the condition and if it actually arrives in the parameters of the assumed ETA? I get it. It's really not that hard to understand. Makes sense to me. But yeah, the other one was that so early. I rode on an empty stomach on accident. Not even coffee or water, just came so quickly. And I've been approved since Monday. And night, just went at it. Wondered if he The first one shows the location because it was the only open one. That one's 24 hours, I found out. But there's one that's like 5 to 10 minutes from his house. So I wanted to, it was closed because it was closer to me than him. It took me like 7 to 10 minutes to get there. Both times. Well, the correct and incorrect times. So yeah. And then it took a while since he lives so far away. I went down the street because he lives on the island. So I got there as quick as I could for how far away? It was like an 11-mile ride totally once I got home. Definitely changed my gear ratio. Even though this was better when I put it on. Whew. Wasn't aware of that. What is this? Taco Bell. Which Taco Bell?
Head to your pickup at Taco Bell 2033 Solano Avenue.
I just passed it. Guess we're going this way. What's in this? No drinks, I'm hoping. Doesn't look like it. Oh, that's nice. I was wondering about that. Well, I came over here. Something like a huge U-turn. Of course, it comes in after I pass the Solana. I mean, Taco Bell. When right before when I was on the sidewalk and I crossed the street from across the street from Burger King. It's right there. Luckily, right here. Hopefully it's not too far. I should figure it out before move right now. I'm gonna order some nacho fries from this location later. Well, alright, I'll be back later, maybe. BRB. Alright, I'm back, but I'm going home. But I forgot to do an outro. So I said I would come back, so it was like an hour ago-ish. Now, so yeah. Since I'm at my house, figured I'd have a few minutes to do an outro. I'm like 5 to 7 minutes away from my house. Going this way, so it's straight away and downhill. Not a bad first day of deliveries. I got 3 deliveries done. Felt bad about the last one because even though it was the one that I was a few blocks away from, once I got it, the bag opened and I may have smushed it because I thought that might happen since it was a different setup than the McDonald's. It was folded over. Then I couldn't find his house because it was the house I thought it was, but Google Maps is a different house. So I just asked him to come outside. So it wasn't as hot, even though it was only like 6 blocks away, give or take, from the Taco Bell he ordered at. So that was disappointment. on my end. Got there as fast as I could, but I was at his neighbor's house. And his address was the 8, and there was no A except for a different house number. So standing out there for like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. But he was chill. I told him why. I was confused. Like, oh, I think they updated it. Cause I guess it happened before. But it was more so my fault because I did see the right house. I just didn't see the A, so I just stopped there. But I also missed the directions didn't come up on his notes about which house it was. So after I gave it to him, I didn't see it before. So I just missed it, I guess. Still getting used to it. It's my first day, so you know. I won't speed it myself up. But I felt bad because I think it was a little cold and maybe switched on by accident. But what are you gonna do? Thought it would be an easier one since it was so close to the half his house. I could have walked there. But it was so close. I didn't think it would be a problem. That's about it. But it's no shit. I won't. It's I understand. It's okay. My earnings are up to 27.80, 63. Not bad. Not bad at all. They're all pretty close together. Not too far from the house, actually. So, you know, well, the first one. The second two are just a few blocks away from Taco Bell and McDonald's, so no worries. Son of a gun. Alright, well I'm on phone, so like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you later. Got a rubber in the hole. Okay. Too bumpy. Alright, now I can go home. Hey Siri, stop. I'll do it. Hey Siri, stop. Well, I was lurking downtown after I dropped off the top of the order. This lady, or this guy, Punk, and this guy on a Vespa, a motorized scooter, similar to a Vespa. He wasn't even crossing, he just turned. He assumed that he could go, but he hadn't even looked yet, and he already honking. Anyway, so we're just turning into the opposite lane. Then he was gonna look. And then he was gonna cross, but he had already slowed down. Right before he got honked at. It wasn't going. But anyways, turn off the camera now. I'm a block away from my house. Later.